I'm back in the thicker stuff now in the nature center, and you know the old saying where there's a fork in the road, take it? Well, no one ever said which part of the fork to take, so I'm standing at a fork right now and I don't know which way to go. So the one over there to the left doesn't look as open, so maybe we'll stick with the right. Again, I think I'm walking this trail backward anyway, but I don't know if it makes much of a difference. There's no telling where I'm gonna end up. Oh well, if I don't make it out, maybe somebody can track me by GPS on my phone or something. There's a lot of big old trees. Man. Really nice. So hopefully I'm just heading in some kind of circle or something. But I'm sure I'll find my way out. That's a neat tree. Never understood how trees can grow like that and still stand. That's neat. There's an old one that fell. I keep jumping every time I hear a bird or any other kind of animal move. Oh my goodness, look at the size of that tree. Oh my gosh. My goodness. Well, I can see the water again, so I'm back by the water.